Hey folks, today I'm going to be swapping out the grill on this 2019 Ram 1500 Classic and going with a little bit more aggressive style. This isn't bad, but it is kind of the old cross pattern, I guess you could call it, that's been out for quite some time on these Rams, and want to go with something a little bit more aggressive. So let me show you what I got. All right, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing here. I got this thing on eBay and it was $250, and the ones, this one actually has the lights with it, so it is a little bit more. I think the other ones without the lights are about $219 or just over $200. All right, so this is the style I'm going with. Let's see what else we have here. All right, so basically we've got some letters, got the lights, and then some brackets here, and there is no instructions, so I am going to have to go back online and see if they've got any installation instructions. Okay, I did have to install the letters here in the center. That was a little bit weird, but anyway, I got them in there, and now I'm going to take this grill off. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's show what we got. The grill did come out of there pretty easily. Basically, there's four bolts. One, let's see, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's some locations where these clips or whatever they are that popped into there. So it did come off pretty easily. Now I have to make sure I have the same kind of mounting hardware to put the new grill on there. And then I am worried about these air ducts or whatever this is. So this might have to get transferred to the new grill. So we'll see. Okay, it does appear that there are new brackets, but it also looks like I can use the old bracket out of the existing grill. So I think I'm going to try that. Okay folks, without further ado, I've got this grill in here, and I would say overall it looks pretty good. Certainly a different look from the Classic, and I know some are going to say that they prefer the Classic and others might prefer this one. I think this one gives a little bit more modern look, maybe a little bit more aggressive. So anyway, it is what it is. I was not able to wire the lights just yet because I don't feel like tapping into my wires for my headlight. So I'm going to do a little research on that first, and I will come back and wire in those 3 lights that you see there in the center. I think that gives it a great look when the vehicle is running. So anyway, that's it. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you.